Chapter 9, Lesson 4, Stopping Distance. There are three things you must be able to do to stop quickly. Number 1, you must perceive the hazard in your path of travel. Number 2, you must react. Number 3, you must brake to a safe stop. What do the skid marks on the traffic surface tell you? Objective. Describe the three actions that determine total stopping distance. Total stopping distance. The distance your car travels for the time you first perceive a hazard until you reach a full stop is your total stopping distance. You should always be able to stop within the distance you can see ahead. It will take you almost 300 feet, or the length of a football field, to stop if you are traveling at 65 miles per hour. Total stopping distance is based on good brakes and tires on dry, level, concrete pavement. As you can see in this diagram, as your speed increases, your stopping distance increase, usually by double or triple. Perception time and distance. The length of time it takes you to identify a hazard, predict a conflict, and decide to brake is called your perception time. Perception time for alert drivers is about 3/4 of a second. The distance your vehicle travels during your perception time is your perception distance. What factors can affect your perception time? How can you improve your perception time? Reaction time and distance. Once you identify a hazard, the length of time you take to apply your brakes is your reaction time. An alert driver reaction time is about 3/4 of a second. The distance your vehicle travels while you react is called the reaction distance. Braking distance. Distance your vehicle travels from the time you apply the brakes until you stop is the braking distance. What natural law affects your braking distance? Braking distance is proportional to the square of your speed. If you are traveling at 40 miles per hour, your braking distance would be 4 times longer than if you were traveling at 20 miles per hour. Objective. Identify key factors that affect braking distance. Factors that affect braking distance. What is the most effective way to stop? Why? Factors that can affect your braking distance include your driver's ability, speed, vehicle condition, roadway surface, hills, weight of your vehicle. Review. In the order they occur, list the three actions that determine total stopping distance. List 6 factors that can increase your braking distance. Which of these can the driver control?